So we have compromised a user account. In the initial attack vectors section, we managed to capture Frank Castle's hash, right, with responder. We took that hash offline and we said, hey, look, it's password 1. And we were able to also get onto machines with SMB relay without ever having to capture a hash. We were able to dump the SAM file and collect hashes that way. And we also were able to create an account with man in the middle 6 and pretty much own the whole domain as it was. So we have a few different compromises that we can play with. And from here, we're going to take a pause. We're going to go ahead and look at what we can do once we have a compromise and how we can enumerate the network using these compromises. So we're going to look at two tools specifically. We're going to look at a tool called PowerView. Now, PowerView is a tool that allows us to look at the network and enumerate basically the domain controller, domain policy, domain users groups, a lot of different things. It goes very, very deep with what it's capable of doing. And again, that's a PowerShell tool. And we're also going to look at a tool called Bloodhound. Bloodhound is going to allow us to actually visualize in a graph form what is going on in the domain, in the network, and where can we find the sensitive user that might be logged in, or where can we find the shortest path to getting domain admin. It's a fantastic tool. It should be used on every internal assessment that you do. And I think these two tools will really set you apart when it comes interview time, being able to talk about them and know how to use them in an assessment. So from here, we're going to go ahead and move on. We're going to start talking about how to install PowerView, use PowerView, and then we'll move into Bloodhound. And then eventually we're going to move into these post-compromise attacks once we have all this information in front of us. So let's go ahead and move into the next video when we install PowerView.